Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. In my entire life, I made and had this Semiya Kheer or Payasam made with cow milk and sugar. I've never thought that I could make the same dessert in coconut milk without sugar. So let's see how to do it. So here I've taken one whole grated coconut, add some water and take out the thick coconut milk. Into the same coconut add some more water and take out thin coconut milk. Now into a pan add some ghee. Once the ghee gets melted, add some vermicelli. Here I have taken roasted vermicelli, but still if you roast it for some time in ghee, it will add more flavor to your kheer. Now into this roasted vermicelli I am adding some water and close the lid and cook it. Once the vermicelli is cooked around 80%, I am adding the thin coconut milk into it. Mix it, cover it and cook again. Don't forget to stir in between and cook the vermicelli completely. Once the milk is reduced, it's time to add our sweetener for the dessert, that is some Jaggery Liquid. If you have the Jaggery powder with you, you can definitely add that. Give it a mix, boil it. Once it comes to a nice boil, add some cardamom powder and some dry ginger powder for the flavor. Give it a mix, close the lid and keep it on sim for some time. Now once everything is well incorporated, finally add the thick coconut milk, give it a nice mix and when it starts to boil, turn off the flame. Allow it to cool down for some time. Now the kheer will get thick. At the time of serving, you can add some nuts and raisins which is fried in ghee. And our tasty and delicious Semiya Payasam in coconut milk and jaggery is ready. So definitely try it out. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.